Hi Facebook, Sonia here with Inkpad Crafts, and today I have made a couple of gift tags right here, and you'll see that glimmer on there. That is from Stampin' Up's Iridescent Ice embossing powder, and these are so simple to make. All you need is I cut a 2-inch strip of the Whisper White cardstock, and then I have used the Ornate tag topper punch. Look at that glare there, sorry about that. And gone ahead and just punched the top there. And then we just masked the moon to do that. 3/4 inch circle punch. And I just used a post-it note and just punched on the sticky part so you get a little circle. You'll see that one is a lot darker than the other. For the one on the left, I used a little sponge dauber, which you just put on your finger, and you get a little less ink, but I also did re-ink my ink pads, and then I used regular sponge for this one over here. So you can see how this one's got a lot more ink on it than this one here. Then the colors I used, Smoky Slate, they're all Stampin' Up, Night of Navy, and Island Indigo. Start with some Smoky Slate and put that kind of all over, and then you add the you go like lightest to darkest, so then add the Island Indigo, and I start Island Indigo kind of further out, go all around here, and then lastly the Night of Navy, and you can see it's a lot darker on this one here. A lot more ink on that one. So, and then of course you put a little bit, and you can see better on this one. Just put a touch of the Island Indigo over the moon so it's not really white, and also down the bottom. The stamped image is the Cozy Christmas. Again, sorry for the glare there. I used that cute little, what do you call that? Little house lodge with some trees. Anyway, cute stamp set. Love this one. Then you go ahead and stamp everything Versamark. Just stamp it all over. Pour on your Iridescent Ice embossing powder. Use your heat tool and heat set it. Now, these did bend up when I was heat setting them. They actually curled backwards. So what I did is I heat set them once, let them cool. Then I did it again because they were like I said, buckling up a little bit. So I heat set it, and then I stuck my punch right on top of it. I stuck one on one, and that and let it cool for a second, and then that made it flat again. Then just thread whatever ribbon you have laying around. I don't know if this is even current or not. This was the real red. I don't know, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3. This could be a retired ribbon, probably, because I've got so much ribbon laying around that I need to use. And then you can just write your sentiment on the back, your to and from, and anything else you want to write. This is actually for a friend. I've already written everything there. So just thought I would show you these real quick with my little, doing a video with my phone real quick. But I've got some more to make up. So quick, easy, yet glimmery. Look at that glimmer. I love that. Iridescent Ice. And this one. And of course you can use different colors. You could put hues of pink in there, or, you know, even some purples or some orange and yellows. Just really go for it. Oh, I forgot to tell you, the snowbank's down here. So sorry. What I did is I got another post-it note and just did a mask. You just cut, you know, like little snowbanks. And then you'll put it down here. Of course, this is when you're still putting the ink. And then you just tap very lightly, lift up, move it a little bit, tap very lightly. Of course, that would be sticking down. And another one down the bottom. And you can just make that however you want. And there you have it. Gift tags for Christmas. Okay, happy stamping.